Oh, Stephanie ain't been in here since. You ain't been in here, have you?
I've been in here in a while.
Woo! I like these mushrooms.
Some fireworks this morning.
Brought y'all breakfast, y'all. Go.
You know what I did?
Here, look how happy this looks.
Working out.
It does look happy.
You know what I did?
What?
I got a Coke bottle and I got the M90 and I put it in it and it flipped the bottle.
Getting busted.
Yeah.
Oh, he's cute too.
And I also got a
I can't believe he eats so he's got sexy legs.
He's got bedroom eyes. Oh, I like her too.
Oh, yeah.
And I put it.
She looks like Marsha Campbell homely. She's got a it's a girl that used to live up the street. Look at this one. This has got a combination of the dragonfly and mushrooms.
Nobody's ever wanted to buy the whole thing for $100. It's been sitting here for, I think it's been sitting here for at least.
Bought fireworks at.
Stuff
looks
like that.
We went where?
To a fireworks store.
What's the name
of it? We kept seeing them.
Yeah, we went to Joker
I
Joe's.
lit one, a big
I
one.
told him, I said, we're traitors. And then after we lit that, I was like, they're going to be like, damn, they're down there shooting up fireworks.
Shame on you for shopping somewhere else.
I know my father.
He bought one.
She's in there with him.
You know what this is?
What?
All boxes of fireworks.
What it is? What is
There
it?
it is, buddy. It's awesome, man. I told
What
you.
is this?
All boxes of fireworks.
Now, who's got more? This place or the other place?
He's got a lot of questions.
He's got the stuff to ask you.
Oh, you got some questions?
He's got some firework questions.
You come to the right person.
Yeah, what's the YouTube guy you watch all the time, Garrett? Joel,
What
Joel
it is?
Robinson
What are
or
these?
something?
Is he that guy that talks about fireworks?
All the time.
Yeah, I know who you're talking about. I watch him
That's
too.
who Garrett
Oh,
watches.
He's that
He just
guy.
made a
He shows
connection.
them a little bit, then he shoots it, talks
Yeah,
about
it
it.
talks.
Yeah, I watch him all the time. He's pretty good.
It's 3 years to get it.
Yeah.
They're always sold out of it.
I bought
There's
four
so
blue
many.
here. Yeah.
How much did all this
Is that wait
cost?
list? $6,000.
If they're always sold out.
Oh,
we
that's
try
what's
to
about
get
here. There's another $1,000
Already
by the
gone.
store.
$6,000 your price?
First year we ever got it.
But,
Oh, that's a lot of fireworks, Garrett. Come on.
Mama!
The one kind.
ain't no telling what it done.
This was. Where do you slide it at? Seriously? That's a weird place.
It's a rocket.
Where do I hide it?
You'll love those anywhere you want to. Light it up there on the porch, I guess. I don't think it hurt nothing. Right in front of Steve. Watch out, Steve. Yeah, maybe hard. Put it out there in the yard.
Well, yeah, look at
Steve.
Steve. Yeah. Woo! Damn.
I like the fireworks so far.
Yeah.
It's a good firework. Look at all those stars. It looks like the firework. All the stars look like a firework.
There's always shooting stars up here.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, yeah. Ooh.
He's ready to go to Granny's. Keep it right. He's a good deal.
Yep. Good enough.
Here, jump down and just get your stuff.
He watches it on YouTube.
Well, actually, you remember this one? It's called Honey Badger. It's
How many?
Yeah, this is a good one, man. It's one of the best fireworks of that size. They don't make nothing like this. The only
Serious
thing of
time.
its kind.
I wish my camera's not
They
working
don't
on my
make
phone.
this is a multi-shot.
Okay.
Yeah, this one like he.
Oh, he done lit it.
Shot earlier. So watch this one. Same in the same category.
Turn around and look.
Got it.
There you go.
I go now?
Yep, do it.
Alright.
You only got one.
We might light a few more. Uh-oh.
That was pretty. Scared of fire, I guess. We don't usually shoot them this close up in the yard. That was a pretty good one, though.
Yeah.
Here comes the fire. Back down on us.
So we Georgia down, fireworks.
No, we ain't seen any yet.
Huh?
No, we're not. You're not gonna make a forest
You got
fire.
another one.
No, it's,
Why
we
is it still
scored
down
it out a while ago.
Where's the thing at?
It's at the top. That's a Georgia firework.
I'll be fat. Georgia cracker.
Oh, you open it?
They were awesome.
We used to go up to, on a lake and get them old coves and sink one with a rock. Poof, we had to bring up big old, mostly you go old shads,
Yeah.
but we'd get some big old fish. I get stuns them for a few minutes. Yeah, we used to go. I think it amazes you how you can blow a trunk off a car.
Whoa!
That's a Georgia fireworks. See the difference?
I don't see no difference at all.